I know I've seen the...
It's on. It's already on. Flick the switch. Fuck. All right, broski. So I did bring my camera, but I forgot my fucking battery, and I couldn't record for you guys. But I guess just enjoy those GoPro footage. So far, I mean, overall, everything was pretty good. One of the homies blew his SR. And he drove. So one of the homies with an SR 240 came and he fucking blew his engine, and he drove like that home. He lives all the way in Linwood from Riverside. Fuck, sick ass fool, huh? The car did pretty sick, pretty good, pretty happy. How was it, way?
It was pretty cool, way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Had fun?
I had fun. I tried out the new angle kit.
Chingon. Fucking Angle got a...
You put in work.
Angle got some... Angle got some Angle.
Angel got some...
Angle got an Angel. Angel got some Angle kit now. He got the PVM. Same shit as the same shit as what I have. So... Twins. Yeah, we got a twin. Check it out. Mine's already loaded up in the trailer. I went through my tires like nothing. Fuck, I need a tire sponsor, bros. Ruskies. Another 350Z with the chrome carbon crafting body kit. Puro jonques. Huh? How was your first drift even, bro? Sick as fuck or what?
Fuck yeah.
Are you gonna come back next time or what?
Oh yeah.
Es todo, compa.
That's the deal right there, bro.
That's the tío. That's Angel's tío.
That's my uncle right there.
He's younger, but that's his uncle.
18. Fresh to the game.
18 and pregnant. Let's go talk to JP. What's up, bro?
What's up?
How was it?
Fucking tiring.
Did you break something or no?
Nah, I didn't break my airbag this time. Straight. I'm good.
Fucking JP almost didn't come. He almost didn't make it, huh?
Oh, because my diff.
He fucking took off his diff and sold it. And then I was gonna build him a diff, and that shit didn't work because we didn't have the right parts. So last minute he stole one, huh?
Yeah, I stole one basically.
From his cousin. Sick ass fool.
Nice phone, fool.
Thank you, bro.
It's still clear.
4K, bro.
Still clear.
I fucking forgot my camera, bro.
You telling about your spares?
Huh?
Your spares?
Oh yeah. Check out my spares. I was gonna tell him fucking next video, but fuck it. I'll tell him right now. Check it out. So I bought 6 of these wheels. They're 18s by 10 and a half plus 20, I think, or 25. So they're pretty sick because they're fucking light. They're legit Yankees.
And you have 6 of them.
And I have 6 of them. So I have 6 of those. I bought these 2. Check it out. Most likely I'm gonna sell this pair. So if anybody wants 18 by 10 and a half Varstones TE reps, let me know. And then I have my 2 VSKs. So in total, I think I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 12 wheels.
Ballin'!
Sick ass.
You fucked up my rim, bro.
I know. Fucking Angel let me borrow his wheel.
One lap.
And the tire exploded. And I fucked up the wheel.
Damn.
My pedal way, it's in the inside, fool. You can't tell. Plus, your shit's not a show car anymore, way. Mi pedo. Fuck it. Alright. See you guys next time, broskies. Shout out to the Fluffy man. You know who you are, bro. Motherfucker, you call me Fluffy all the time. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Sorry I didn't bring my fucking battery, but oh well. Por andar de fucking rushing and shit. But yeah. So yeah, like this video, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
What's up, guys? This is me doing Filidrift. Hey, what up, broskies? Today we're doing today. I love that guy. What do you think? He's got a fat dick.